right, each of the defendants, please raise your right hand. Ladies and gentlemen, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, very good. Go ahead and put your hands down. This is the initial appearance. I will give you an advisory as to the proceedings. The first purpose of today's hearing is to determine probable cause. The second purpose is to make arrangements for an attorney. And the third purpose is to set bond and conditions of release. First of all, probable cause means whether there's reasonable grounds to believe that a crime was committed and that you were the person that committed that crime. The second purpose of today's proceeding is to make arrangements for an attorney. If you have your own attorney, please let the court know. These proceedings may be delayed so that you can have your attorney present. If you want to have a lawyer appointed to represent you, you must completely fill out the financial affidavit information. And by completing that information, you will be assessed a $50 application fee. I may ask you some questions regarding your financial situation to determine whether or not you meet the statutory criteria to have a lawyer appointed to represent you. The third purpose of today's hearing is bond. Sometimes you come in at no bond, sometimes your bond is too high, sometimes your bond is too low. I will set reasonable bonds and set conditions of release. Each of you has the right to remain silent under the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Please be advised that this entire proceeding is recorded and it is transmitted over the internet simultaneously. If I ask you any questions, please answer only my question. Do not volunteer any information about the circumstances or facts of the crime. And again, my purpose when I ask you questions is to determine if you can have an attorney appointed to represent you and or whether or not your bond should be changed. You have the right to communicate with family, friends, and an attorney.